Have you heard that actions speak louder than words? Well, I have no plans to talk about your actions today. You're watching Professional Development Series 2 with Willys Sam from the Heart City of India. In this video, I want to share about the non-verbal communication. We have already seen that communication skills are the number one skills that the marketplace demands. Not only that, once you learn or develop your communication skills, they are directly connected to some other 25 to 30 skills that is required at the workplace. They are directly related to 85% of one's successes in life. And 93% of all communication is non-verbal. So one needs to develop the non-verbal communication skills. You know, it's only 7% of words or what you say, and 38% of tone, how do you say it, and 55% is the body language. So in all, it's 93% of the nonverbal part. By developing our nonverbal communication skills, we would be able to develop powerful, positive, professional image, and it demonstrates confidence. It talks about our personalities, etiquettes, our mannerism. And we need to know both the positive and negative non-verbal or the body language. Why? Because when we know which are the positive ones, we can use it powerfully to build a positive professional image. And the negative ones we need to be aware about so that we avoid it at any cost, so that we don't end up into trouble. And today we are going to learn some 10 to 12 non-verbal communication with the help of an acronym, compact SEOC. KOPACT SEOC, compact SEOC. The first acronym starts with K, kinesics. Kinesics is all about postures, gestures, and facial expressions. Postures, there are again three part in it: standing posture, sitting, and walking. And second one, gestures. Gestures is the hand movement that we make to communicate. And facial expressions, we know very well how to read others' faces and we understand what are they trying to communicate. We need to develop powerful facial expressions to communicate. And second one is O, oculesics. It's all about eye contact. And it's so important that we make eye contact while speaking to another person, or it's not considered good. It could be even considered rude, or maybe we are shy or nervous or afraid. So we need to learn how to make eye contact while speaking to a person. Negative eye contact, we need to be aware so that we avoid it, like staring for a long time, or frequent stares, frequent glances. The second acronym is O, oculesics, and it's about eye contact. It's so important at the workplace that we make eye contact while talking to each other. Third one is P, proxemics. Proxemics is about the distance. There's a decent distance that we need to maintain while talking to another person at the workplace, the personal space, or it would be considered as bad manners. It depends upon, we have to be careful with the seniority, the position, gender, and also the cultural differences. The next P, compact, K-O-P-P. The second P is paralanguage. Paralanguage is all about voice dynamics, and there are 6 elements to it: volume, pitch, tone, tempo, the speed, intonation, and modulation. Intonation is about the word stress, and modulation is the variation that you bring in your voice. Next one is artifactics. Compact A. Artifactics, it's about your appearance, dress, the jewelry, and the other accessories that a professional person uses. For example, the diary, belt, pen, perfume, bag, watch, cell phone, tie, etc. For ladies, jewelries that they use. It also talks about us, a part of nonverbal communication. So after A is C, chronomics. Chronomics is about the time, the science of time. It's so important at the workplace to know about this. The right time to make a call, getting an appointment before we visit a person, and to be aware about the lunch hours, the other odd hours when we are not supposed to call, and how long can we talk to a person on the phone or when we meet personally, and make sure that you have made the phone call at the right time, get permission and talk further. Next one, KOPPACT. The next one is tactilics, which can also be called haptics. It is about touch, the science of touch, and we need to know the right kind of touch and the wrong one. These days we teach it to our children and youngsters, the younger ones. The right kind of touch includes a firm handshake, which is very important at our workplaces, and giving a high five or a pat at the back by the senior or a boss to the junior. It's all right. Next one in the series is silence, and we already know that silence is gold, and it's a powerful nonverbal communication. Both at the workplace and also at home. We know when our mom is silent or dad is silent, and sometimes it's dangerous sign. It also means that you are saying a yes. Silence can mean many things. Silence is a good habit when you're working. If you practice silence, it's a good habit. Science also teaches us that silence, keeping silent, it helps us to activate our brain. It enhances our performance. So silence is a powerful body language. Many times it's so powerful that it brings conviction than a loud shout or a rebuke. And the next one is E, ergonomics. Ergonomics is about man and his surroundings, his environment. And I've always seen people have their own taste, the way they keep their rooms, their office cabins, their table. It's so different with different people, and it also talks volumes about them. So take care of your ergonomics. Next one is aesthetics, signs and symbols. Aesthetics is the study of beauty and taste. it's a philosophy of, also the philosophy of art. And there are so many people, especially these days, people are much aware about it and they use it as a part of their communication. Olfactics, 11th one, olfactics. Olfactics is associated with sense of smell, the body odor or use of dews and perfumes, room perfume, car perfume, we use it. Next one is chromatics. Chromatics is about the color, different colors that every person uses. It also communicates, like black. People wear in some cultures black at the time of mourning, whereas in some cultures they wear white at the for funeral. Purple, it's associated with royalty. Green with prosperity. Blue for education or knowledge. Like that, different colors mean different things, and we use them as a mode of communication. So we have looked at some 12 of them in this video. I hope this is going to help you to develop powerful non-verbal communication, which is the 93% of the communication that you do. So develop powerful body language. God bless you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching my videos and sharing it with your family members and friends. Thank you all of my subscribers and all the people who write give me the feedback, both on the video and also personally on WhatsApp to me. It really encourages. Thank you so much for taking your time out to do that. Bye bye.